Want to turn your free time into cash? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a beginner or looking to add a new skill, these are perfect for you. Let's get started. First up is translation services. If you're fluent in more than one language, you can turn that skill into a profitable online business. Businesses and individuals are always looking for translators to help them communicate across languages. You can start by offering translation services for documents, websites, or even subtitles for videos. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the language pair and the complexity of the project. To get started, create a profile on platforms like ProZ or Django, or reach out to businesses that operate in multiple countries. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Next is 3D modeling and animation. With the rise of video games, movies, and virtual reality, 3D artists are in high demand. As a 3D modeler, you'll create realistic models and animations for various industries. Start by learning software like Blender or Autodesk Maya, which are widely used in the industry. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per hour, depending on the complexity of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to game developers and animation studios. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy creating and want to tap into a growing industry. Third is email marketing. Businesses rely on email campaigns to connect with their customers and drive sales. If you can write compelling emails and manage subscriber lists, you'll be in high demand. Start by learning platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit, which are easy to use and perfect for beginners. Many companies pay $25 to $100 per hour for email marketing services, depending on the complexity of the campaigns. To stand out, focus on learning about automation, copywriting, and analytics. You can find clients on freelance platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Fourth is t-shirt design. If you're creative and love designing, this skill is perfect for you. With print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Teespring, you can create custom designs for t-shirts and other products without worrying about inventory or shipping. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva, which are great for creating designs. Many designers earn $5 to $20 per sale, depending on the product and platform. To get started, create a portfolio of your designs and promote them on social media or through your own store. With a bit of creativity and marketing, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Finally, let's talk about market research. Businesses need data to make informed decisions, and that's where you come in. As a market researcher, you'll gather and analyze data to help companies understand their customers and competitors. Start by learning tools like Google Surveys or SurveyMonkey, which are great for collecting data. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for market research services, depending on the complexity of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or reach out to small businesses that need help understanding their market. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. And there you have it. 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose translation services, 3D modeling and animation, email marketing, t-shirt design, or market research, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Start small, keep learning, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.